Once upon a time, in a land far away, there was a great sultan who ruled over a vast kingdom.
بدك تعمل فيديو زي هذا؟ تابع معي. أول شي بتروح على ميدجوري، بتعمل الأفاتار. طبعا بتشوف شو الأفاتار اللي بده يطلع لك، وبتختار أي وحدة وبتعمل له أب سكيل. بدك الصورة هاي بتعمل لها حفظ لجهازك. بعدين بتروح على شات جي بي تي، تطلب منه يكتب لك قصة قصيرة من كتاب ألف ليلة وليلة. طلبت منه يترجمه بالعربي، ترجمه. كنت أحاول أحطه بالعربي، بس المشكلة الموقع اللي فيه الأصوات ما في اللغة العربية، ما في يعني إشي كويس. بتروح على Play.ht، هذا الموقع بتسجل فيه، بيعطوك تجربة تجرب له كرييت ستوديو. طبعا أنا اخترت الألترا رياليستيك مشان يعطيني الصوت الواقعي، الصوت الحقيقي. العادي الأصوات الثانية العادية بتبين كأنها AI. وهنا بتحط السكريبت اللي حطيته، بتنسخه من شات جي بي تي، بتحطه هنا وبتقول له بس جنريت. وطبعا هنا بتقدر تختار الأصوات اللي بدك إياها. بعد ما تعمل جنريت للصوت، بتعمل له داونلود اكسبورت وبينزل على جهازك. بعد DID بس تسجل فيه، كمان بيعطوك تجربه تجربة. بتعمل له كرييت فيديو، تقدر من هنا بتحط له ابلود فويس، بتعمل له جنريت اي برنامج اديتنج، فيديو اديتنج. بتحط الفيديو على الصوت وبتعمل الفيديو، بتعمل له اكسبورت، بتطلع معك هاي النتيجة.
Once upon a time, in a land far away, there was a great sultan who ruled over a vast kingdom. The sultan was known for his wealth and his love of fine things, but he was also known for his cruelty and his temper. One day, a poor beggar came to the sultan's palace asking for alms. The sultan was in a foul mood that day, and he was in no mood to be charitable. He ordered his guards to seize the beggar and throw him into the dungeon. But that night, as the Sultan was sleeping in his bed, he had a strange dream. In his dream, he saw a beautiful woman with long, dark hair and piercing green eyes. The woman spoke to him, saying that if he released the beggar and treated him with kindness, he would be rewarded with great riches and good fortune. The Sultan woke up feeling puzzled and unsure of what to do. He thought about the dream for many hours, but he couldn't shake the feeling that it was a sign. Finally, he ordered his guards to release the beggar and bring him to the palace. To the Sultan's surprise, the beggar turned out to be a wise and learned man who was well versed in the arts of magic and sorcery. The man thanked the Sultan for his mercy and offered to teach him the secrets of the universe. Over the next few months, the Sultan and the beggar became good friends, and the Sultan learned many valuable lessons about kindness, generosity, and wisdom. In the end, the Sultan's kingdom became the most prosperous and peaceful in all the land, and the Sultan himself became known as the wisest and most just ruler in the world. And all because of a dream and a chance encounter with a beggar on a dark and stormy night.